Hello friends, this is part 14 in the series of learning tenses. In this video, we will understand all about future perfect continuous tense. First, we will learn what is future perfect continuous tense with the help of a timeline. Then, we will look into its usage with the help of examples. Finally, I will give you an exercise to practice. So let's get started. What is a future perfect continuous tense? If the action will begin and still going on until a point in the future, and if more importance is given to the duration of the event, then it comes under the future perfect continuous tense. So the future perfect continuous tense is a verb tense used to describe the actions that will continue up until a point in the future. The structure of it is subject plus will have been plus verb's ing form plus object. Let's understand its placement in the timeline. In the timeline, it can be seen that the work will start in the future, which is shown by the red tick, and will continue until another event shown by the green tick occurs. Also, the duration of the event is highlighted by a blue colored line. Please note the activity might have started in the past or present as well. So the red tick might move to the left or center of the timeline accordingly. Now let's look into its usages. The main use of future perfect continuous tense is showing ongoing activity before another in the future. The activity will have begun sometime in the past, present, or in the future and is expected to continue in the future. And the duration is given more importance here. Let's look into examples of it. When I turn 50, I will have been playing football for 25 years. My activity of playing football had begun sometimes back in the past. It will keep on continuing in the future, and the duration is mentioned as 50 years. In the timeline, it will be shown such that the red tick shows the start of the activity, then the green tick shows me turning 50. All will be shown on the right side of the timeline. Please note, as I said you, the red tick will be shifted in the past time in this sentence. Apart from that, look into the structure of the sentence. It follows the structure where I am the subject, will have been is the helping verb, playing is verb's ing form, football is the object, and turning to 50 shows another event. I hope now you are clear on the structure and timeline of this tense. Now let's look into the next example. In March, I will have been working at my company for 3 years. Here, the activity of working will have already started sometimes before. It would be a continuous process for 3 years. But when? It will be in March. Also, the duration is mentioned as 3 years. At 5 o'clock, I will have been waiting for 30 minutes. Here, the activity of waiting will have already started sometimes in the past. It would be a continuous process or continuous until 5 o'clock, and the duration would be approx 30 minutes. Next month, I will have been studying English for 2 years. Here, the activity of studying will have already begun in the started in the past. It would be a continuous till 2 years. But when? The next month. Notice the duration is mentioned as 2 years. Let's look into one more example of this kind. When I finish this course, I will have been learning French for 20 years. Here, the activity of learning will have already been started sometimes before. It would be a continuous process till 20 years. But when? When I finish the course. Notice the duration is 20 years. I hope now you are clear on how to have a structure of future perfect continuous tense. Now, let me give you an exercise. In this exercise, you need to correct the following sentence with the structure of future perfect continuous tense. Pause the video and correct the sentences and message the sentences in the comment. I will share the answers in a while. The answers are on your screen now. By 2001, I will have been living in London for 16 years. I will have been waiting here for 3 hours by 6 o'clock. I hope you would have given the correct answers. Let's quickly revise the future perfect continuous tense. If the action will begin and still going on until a point in future, and if more importance is given to the duration of the event, then it comes under future perfect continuous tense. The structure is subject plus will have been plus verb's ing form plus object. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot for watching. Like, share, comment and subscribe in case you found the video helpful. We will meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.